Omwami.
AI is not about replacing lawyers. When you see my papers, you will see my contribution. It's not about replacing lawyers. It's about augmenting their abilities by automating mundane tasks, enhancing research capabilities, improving mobile efficiency. AI will allow professionals as lawyers to focus on matters that are more serious.
Excellent.